Hi, today I'm for the POCO F5 and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So we should open first the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter the Icon Changer. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. While this application will download and installing, then tap to open the app. And here you'll see all of the available applications, which icons you could change. For example, let's use the clock icon. If you want to rename it, just click once on the edit icon. Here we got the library with different folders with the icons. You could use them or to use photo from your device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, let's use one from these default icons. Just tap to OK in the right upper corner, but sure, first we should just allow some permissions. So tap to OK, tap to other permissions, click here to home screen shortcuts, tap to allow. Also, you could allow all of the permissions if you want. Let's go back to the application. Once again, tap on the right upper corner to OK. So now we should skip the ads, the videos. Tap to the 6 icon. So we could go to the desktop or change next icon by the same way. So let's open the new clock icons. Oh, sorry, I just used the settings for clock. So let's go back to the application. Let's change the next icon. So let's, for example, use the clock one. So let's find the clocks. Here are the clocks. Tap to OK in the right upper corner. So okay, let's go to the desktop and we could see our new clock icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.